have a great trip.
Thank you very much for watching. Much appreciated. It'd be lovely if you could subscribe and give a thumbs up. Many thanks, Johnny Warner.
Big miles in a big car. The side of the other side of the flyover, I think he said. He said you'll see the barriers as soon as you get there. This is definitely the Route 66 though, is it?
There is. Essex Road.
Yeah, beautiful, isn't it, round here?
Now that's an exit there. Yeah. And it's also one way. Alright, see, we were going to try to do that. We can't do that. So we're going to have to get on 40, Katie's Summit. Katie's Summit. See, we got to go all the way to exit 78 if we want to get back on. Then we got to go 11.5 miles down to here to go back up to Ludlow, which I would not fuss about doing.
If those lovely Slovakians, the lovely Slovakian family who came over for a wedding, Texan wedding, and are now heading off to Grand Union Canal, the Grand Canyon. Pleasure to meet you. Have a great trip, and hopefully Jim and me will do Route 66 in Slovakia in the next couple of years.
What is it? Fireback 666 pedal.
We've been in California for the best part of the day, and I haven't seen a single surfer or beach boy yet. You were saying?
Well, we've seen plenty of them. Route 66, quite right.
Route 66, baby. Closed ahead.
That's right here. We're at exit 78, Kelbaker Road. 11.5 miles to east of Amboy.
No through traffic
National Trail.
east of Cadiz Road.
Alright.
Can we get off at Cadiz Road?
That's what I'm looking for is Katie's Road.
Amboy?
See, there's Katie's Summit,
Yeah.
but I don't see it on here.
So I'm wondering if Amboy.
Amboy's right here. Baghdad.
Oh, so it's after it. Sorry, it's after it. Ah, Newbury Springs. Very Newbury.
See, he doesn't have,
Well, mate, he's
he
watching.
doesn't have Katie's Road.
Thank you so much. Now keep my eyes peeled for Joshua trees. At least this is a better looking Highway 40 than I've seen the first tiny Joshua tree.
Remember that little cactus looking thing was a Joshua tree?
They're a spiky tree.
Oh, okay.
They're drop the big.
That one?
I think these look like they're the start of them. Like over there. That's one over there. Necessarily in that order.
I'll be hanged.
You don't call it Cadiz, do you? You call it Cadiz.
I'm curious to see how they call it in California, though.
Yeah, well,
I asked in California. But just because I asked them here, that means Katie's right there, they call it.
Cadiz. Cadiz, we call it.
Yeah, I know.
After the
Yeah.
Moroccan place.
Yeah, Spain. But yeah, but we Ludlow Cafe Coffee Shop.
Listening behind there. Motel, the no frills.
This is the
That's the motel, the no frills. Yep.
That's where we are.
Oh look, there's a 66 East.
Oh yeah.
Just up there. Oh no. and have an afternoon drink, and then we kind of waste a couple of hours when, you know, we just got somewhere, we can get rid of all our bags and things, have a nice wander around, see what's about, check out the entire town, try a couple of bars. Well, that's what I do. I sort of came to
that day of the meantime.
Very Newbury, if you're listening. We're in Newbury Springs at the moment.
Don't wait.
Yeah. It's like Radiator Springs, but more closed.
Nothing to do with a red car, really, but just have to be.
It'd probably be full of old biddies.
Probably what?
Full of old biddies, old ladies, and they'd all be wanting to know about your car.
Yeah.
And we'd be talking to them.
We'd be talking.
We'd happily be talking to them.
Taking pictures forever.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And of course, what we don't know is it's a professional photography crew. They're doing a photo shoot for a calendar, and it's full of the girls who are too good to sit on top of an E-type.
Or it just could be the Playboy bus.
Well, that's, yeah.
Exit 18.
6:39.
Better than that, something. Man,
Yeah.
they're raping people. They're absolutely raping people back at that station. Or is this the road? There's 40, so this must be the road. I think if we go that way, we can cross over. But I'm not sure.
Mudwells.
We are Daggett and Irmo. I don't know where exactly to go.
There's a Calico ghost town. National Trails Highway we're on. Mudwell, that's opposite us. That's that building there.
Yeah. It's a ghost town back that way.
Yeah, it says that way. That's what I said. Calico ghost
Gotcha.
town.
Alright, so that means we're right here. So we just keep going. We don't get over there yet.
Right.
The next exit we cross. The next exit we have to get on it for a mile or 3 miles.
Right. So how far are we then?
Barstow?
Yeah.
Well, it's hard to tell because Barstow apparently is in the next county or something.
Oh, right.
And its exit is 118 or 181.
Daggett. I like that.
That's this way, isn't it?
Yeah, it's turn left. Pardon me.
He didn't have to stop.
Sounds electric. We're in
He's got a
California.
smoke sign.
Oh,
He's got
right.
an exhaust pipe.
Has he? Oh, right. Does sound electric though, doesn't it? But I suppose that's the aircon.
Yeah, probably.
there's a beautiful dragonfly up there.
Is he taking some?
I don't know. I was just about to say it's a good thing you're driving, because I would have just automatically have overtaken him. I'd forgotten about the ruling. Or is that just for school buses where you don't go past? School buses you never go there. Mining. Light open. I mean, that looks like it's lived in, doesn't it? Yeah, somebody's house, the old Calico bunkhouse. Perhaps it is further up, I don't know. That makes sense. Whoa there, Calico Ghost House. Definite mine, isn't it?
Rails,
Yeah.
such. Many bunkhouse.
So you can stop here. Looks like they charge you to get in, doesn't
I'm
it?
thinking they charge you to get in.
So it's more of a theme park. It's more of a theme park.
Yeah.
Well, you turn around if you want.
What?
You can turn around if you want, if it's just a theme
Don't
park.
want to go in?
Well, if it's just a theme park. Photo studio, Calico, park office, Granny's Crafts. Yeah, it's selling loads of stuff by those things. Granny's Crafts, Leather Works, Old Miners Cafe. Yeah, it looks just like a theme park, doesn't it?
What are you on do?
Yeah, I wouldn't bother because it's not. To me, it doesn't seem like a real ghost town. It seems to be a tourist station. Yeah. But that was cool. I got more. I think you might have to come out.
Oh,
It's one way.
we're supposed to be over there. This is one way.
Right.
Hang in your booty.
Yeah, that's nice. Nice driving, man. Well, sorry, there. No, I thought, well. National Trails Highway. This is the place. Wow. Look at that. This is the place to come. Don't tell Jim, but I wanted to go to the travel lodge. I didn't want to come here, but I'm pleased we have. I think we found a fan for Jim's car. I think this lovely lady likes your car, Jim. This man's a real car fanatic, Jim. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for watching. Much appreciated. It'd be lovely if you could subscribe and give a thumbs up. Many thanks. Johnny Warner.